In the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence, machine learning has emerged as a driving force behind technological advancements that have transformed our lives in unprecedented ways. This captivating field holds immense promise for enhancing efficiency, accuracy, and innovation across various sectors. Yet amidst this rapid progress lies an underlying issue that cannot be overlooked: the bias inherent in machine learning algorithms. The essence of AI is rooted in its ability to learn from vast amounts of data, patterns, preferences, tendencies, and even prejudices held by human society. Machine learning, a subset of artificial intelligence, relies on this wealth of information to develop predictive models that can be utilized for decision-making processes across various fields like healthcare, finance, marketing, and beyond. However, while the potential benefits are significant, the dark side of machine learning lies in its susceptibility to bias, a consequence of our inherently flawed society. Bias in machine learning algorithms is not an issue that has arisen overnight, but rather stems from historical prejudices present within the data used for training these models. As such, AI systems perpetuate and even amplify biases ingrained by human society. These biases can manifest themselves in various forms: racial, gender-based, socioeconomic, or cultural stereotypes, all of which have far-reaching implications on our daily lives and collective future. Consider the case of facial recognition technology. While this innovation holds great potential for improving security measures, it has also raised concerns about racial bias. In a 2018 study conducted by the National Institute of Standards and Technology, researchers found that commercially available AI-powered face recognition systems were significantly more accurate when identifying lighter-skinned males compared to darker-skinned females, highlighting an alarming example of bias embedded within a seemingly objective technology. Gender disparities are another prevalent form of bias in machine learning algorithms. A study conducted by researchers at the University of Waterloo revealed that job advertising platforms were more likely to target women for jobs in traditionally female-dominated fields, such as nursing and teaching, while men were steered toward engineering and technology roles. This reflects an implicit bias within the algorithms used by these companies, resulting from training data influenced by gender stereotypes prevalent throughout history. Another dimension of AI-induced bias relates to socio-disciplinary factors such as education, income, and ethnicity. These biases are often more subtle yet equally impactful in shaping decision-making processes that affect millions of people's lives. For instance, credit scoring algorithms have been observed to disproportionately penalize individuals from underprivileged backgrounds due to historical financial data reflecting systemic disadvantages faced by these communities. This perpetuates an unjust cycle where those already struggling are further hindered in their efforts to improve their economic standing, thus highlighting the need for a more equitable and inclusive approach when designing machine learning models. To address this critical issue of bias within AI and its implications on society at large, it is vital that we acknowledge our responsibility as creators, developers, and deployers of these powerful technologies. This requires us to adopt a holistic perspective in tackling the problem by emphasizing diverse data sets for training algorithms, encouraging transparency and explainability within AI systems, and incorporating ethical considerations throughout the development lifecycle. One approach is to introduce fairness metrics that can be used during algorithmic design processes, which will help identify and mitigate potential biases before deployment. Incorporating techniques such as data anonymization, feature selection, and bias correction methods within machine learning models have shown promise in reducing the impact of bias. However, it is also essential to recognize that these technical solutions alone cannot solve the underlying issues. A more profound shift in societal mindset towards embracing diversity, equity, and inclusion is crucial for long-term success. The future of AI holds immense potential. However, we must acknowledge and confront bias within machine learning algorithms if we are to reap the full benefits it promises. To achieve this goal, a multidisciplinary collaboration between technologists, policymakers, ethicists, and community stakeholders is necessary. By working together towards a common vision of responsible AI, we can aspire for an inclusive world where technology serves as a tool to uplift humanity, rather than reinforce existing biases that hinder our collective progress. In conclusion, bias in machine learning algorithms reflects the flaws and prejudices present within society, but it is not immutable or unchangeable. As we continue developing innovative technologies, let us also prioritize ethical considerations and fairness to ensure that AI truly becomes a transformative force for good. It falls upon our collective shoulders as the guardians of this rapidly advancing technology to address bias head-on, embrace inclusivity, and build an equitable world where everyone has equal access to the opportunities machine learning brings forth. As we delve deeper into the complex realm of AI, let us remember that it is our responsibility to guide its growth conscientiously and ethically, ensuring a better tomorrow for all. By taking meaningful steps towards eliminating bias in machine learning algorithms, we can foster an inclusive society where technology acts as a catalyst for progress, rather than perpetuating societal disparities, creating a brighter future built on fairness, diversity, and equality.